go June Bug! Woo! Hey everybody, welcome to the 2022 June Bug Rally. Here we are. Registration just opened about 10 minutes ago. We're already, parking lot's already filling up with cars, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, we've got Tommy, Jake, and Martin back there. Dash plaques, shirts, registration, everything.
June Bug entry fee, $10. You can get a rally pack for $30. That's a shirt, entry, and a dash plaque for $30. But what a day it's going to be. The weather is perfect.
It's a little warm, but I think
it's to be expected.
Yes, it's June in Texas. We've got a lot of new people this year.
Yes, I'm very excited. We got, and what an array of different Volkswagens already. Got 23 windows. We got bay windows. Got Eurovans. Got Synchros. Got Jettas. This is already it's just exciting, man. Yes. There's already people showing up, so this is going to be big, man.
Today, June Bug Rally 2022. Let's do a giveaway today, so stay tuned for that. We're going to give away something special.
Oh, something June Buggy, huh?
That's right. So you guys can win that. So let's have some fun at June Bug 2022.
It. Our 14th annual June Bug Rally. Woo!
All right, we got Tommy Perkins. Tommy Perkins, Team Smartass. How do you guys think you're gonna do today?
We're gonna do great.
We're gonna do great like we always do.
Are you going for the win?
Yes, yes I am.
Is that a question?
And where did you guys come from today?
Fort Worth.
The little town is called?
Alvarado,
Texas. So about
204 miles.
204 miles. Okay, all right. Well, good luck today. What's the car?
71 Super Beetle.
And had you got this going after many a year or something?
7 years.
7 years.
And it is a former championship car.
What year did you win with this car?
2012.
Awesome. Well, good luck out there today.
Thanks.
Doug. How's it going, Doug?
Good to go.
What's that?
What's that?
Is this a split window?
Yeah, it's a new one, 2019.
Straight. All right, what are y'all's names and where are you from?
Brian Ziblich, New Orleans.
Justin Herbert, Chalmette, Louisiana.
All right, so you guys came from all the way from Louisiana, and you brought this bay window bus, and you were telling me what about the motor?
We put it in Thursday and ran it for about 15 minutes and a 1/16 of a mile, and that's about it. Took it to the parking lot over here, adjusted the valves, and ready to go. It's either going to go or blow. So
that's right. It's either going to go or blow. So it's an early bay window.
71.
It's a 71, and some guy wrote Russian all over it. Your previous owner?
It is supposed to say live for today and for tomorrow, but my Russian neighbor said no, it's a little off. And now when they ask me what writing it is, I say Ukrainian because, you know.
It belonged to a good friend of ours who passed away from cancer.
So you
One thing he wishes nobody do anything to the bus.
Okay, so you knew the previous owner. Oh, okay, all right. Awesome. Well, that's good. Well, very cool. Good luck today, guys. I'm pulling for the newbies. I like to see new blood out there. Good luck.
Thanks.
All right, Evan, what are you doing?
I'm handing out watermelon.
Because it's so hot today.
It is.
I'll have a piece.
It's always hot. So.
Thank you, Evan. Evan, second place winner 2 times of the June Bug Rally.
That's true.
Thanks, Evan. Time for a giveaway. You could win this JBR Dash Plaque, authentic 2022 JBR Dash Plaque. All you have to do is put JBR in the comments. JBR in the comments, and you could win. All right, this is Doug, right?
Yeah.
And you got the Caddy. What year is it?
1981.
All right, are you from here in Austin?
I have been in Austin 3 years now.
How long have you had it, and how have you enjoyed it so far?
I've had it since July of last year, and it's been a journey of fixing the cooling. If you look at the back of it, the tags are temporary still because I haven't really been driving around too much, but it's been an ongoing project. It runs, it got here, it drives. I just want to get a little bit more confident with it. It's the original 1.7 liter gas engine. Someone put a 5-speed in it, Recaro seats, and they repainted it, and then pretty much everything else has been me. The lowering it, front has like some used coilovers on it, the rear has axle swap,
Okay, so you lowered it, huh?
Yeah. It's been lowered.
And then get it running correctly. Well, it looks great. I love it. I love the little rack. It looks just like a bus rack.
Yeah.
And this is your first June Bug Rally, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. How do you think you're going to do today?
I have no idea. I hope I can finish. That's it. All right. Hopefully I don't end in a pool of coolant.
Well, good luck out
Thank
there.
you.
Carta Blanca. Capeluda.
Wow. We're here at the June Bug Rally with John and his amazing family. And what we got going on today is we have a rally in Austin, Texas. Y'all are from North Carolina.
Just outside Charlotte.
And y'all drove here for the June Bug Rally.
We left Wednesday. We've done 1,200 miles.
Look at that.
Yep.
In their Volkswagen.
Took a little detour through Birmingham to get the museum, the Barber Museum.
Awesome.
Because you're going to be there, you might as well do that.
Absolutely.
And we're going to take our vintage van to the Vintage Museum, you know.
Okay.
And then came on the rest of the way down 20, and here we are.
John, I want to first of all say we have a prize for this distance travel.
I'm gonna win it.
Yes. You might win it for like the next 6 years.
So I've watched your videos,
okay,
which is how I know this event happens. And it's a great set of YouTube videos you've got. And I realized that in the last couple of years, the winner's been 200 miles from here.
Absolutely.
And I thought I could do that. Now last year, Marcy Junebug came down from wherever up north she's from, right?
Indiana,
and I
believe.
got really concerned that she was gonna come back this year. But she'd be my only real competition.
So we are so happy that you're here. I'm gonna get you a sticker here in a second, but we gotta get some on your Euro
that
van.
shot where Matt Jackson puts it on the back for us.
Exactly.
A classic VWLIFE shot.
We gotta get that for you.
Nice.
But the fact that y'all did that, it's awesome. This is a great trip for you that you're gonna remember for the rest of your life.
Hope so.
And we are so happy that you're gonna do the June Bug in your car that you was in North Carolina earlier this week.
That's right.
So John, thank you so much. That's just furthest distance traveled. That's it, internet. We found it.
Who are you?
We are King of the Hill, and we are here. I am Peggy. Como estas? It is good to see you.
Say something, damn it, Bobby.
Bobby, it's okay to talk to this man. He's a stranger.
I don't know what to say.
Just say hello, Bobby. Just say
Cigarettes don't kill people. The government does.
And over here we have Hank Hill himself.
We are ready to take over this town in this June Bug Rally. And me and my buddies here are going to do this. And we might have to stop and have a drink and socialize a little bit.
Maybe some propane and propane accessories.
Hans, solo, get it? Solo, get it?
Okay, all right. So what she's saying is, this is Hans the bus, and those are solo cups. So Hans solo.
And I'm driving solo.
Ah, okay. All right, beautiful bus. What is y'all's names?
Nigel Stout. This is Rhonda.
Nigel and Rhonda. This is your first time running the June Bug Rally. Is that correct?
That is correct.
In a beautiful 23 window bus, and you have some young men helping you out too.
I have 3 boys: Aiden, Ashton, and Atticus.
Good luck out there today. I know it's your first running. I'm going to send a camera with you. I'm looking forward to seeing the hijinks that ensue.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, just keep your cool, and good answers are more important than speed out there.
We only have 1,200 cc, so I'm not expecting we're going to be there fast.
Awesome.
Thank you all for being here. If you have yet to register to enter the rally, make sure you come over here to the white tent. We are now over at least 55 cars. So that's a June Bug Rally record. So give yourself a round of applause. Woo! First of all, I would like to thank our sponsors. Woo! Thank you, sponsors. We have none. To my left here, of course, is truly the most coveted award in all of motorsports, the June Bug Rally Trophy. If this is a traveling trophy, when you do win the June Bug, you take this home, so you are so lucky. Apparently this past year, the June Bug Trophy got caught up in a bar fight, so there are now real live bullet holes in the June Bug Trophy. Suck it, Stanley Cup! Ladies and gentlemen, our national anthem. We are just minutes away from the start of the 2022 Junebug Rally.
All right, Tommy, what are we doing?
We're handing out packets. We're taking packets, and then we're handing them back out.
Hey,
and then
Gary, tell drivers they have to hold their packet in the air.
Drivers, you need to have your packet in your hand. Drivers,
good luck.
Getting your packets now.
Driver? Are you a driver?
Packets in your hands.
All right, so how many packets do we have?
I have no clue.
How are we doing, Evan?
I'm doing wonderful.
How you feeling?
I am ready.
You look confident, sir.
Yes, I have a good team. We're gonna do this.
I think it was all the watermelon.
It was.
Well, hey, Matt Jackson, we are literally a minute away from the start of the Junebug Rally.
Look at all these cars.
59, 60 Volkswagens. This is crazy. This is crazy. And here we go. I just hope I don't get ran over.
That's right. Be careful out there.
Thank you, Matt Jackson. Drivers, are you ready? Show me your packets. Good luck, everybody! Let's go, Junebug! Woo!
All right, they're leaving.
There they go, Matt Jackson. Oh,
well, he did a
speeding tires on pavement.
Look, there goes the caddy.
Oh, grind some gears!
Grinding gears!
Woo! All right!
Good luck out there! So what they don't know is we just sent about 50 Volkswagens through basically a shoehorn. They got shoehorned into a dead-end street and it's gonna be chaos down there.
All right, VWLIFers, they don't know, but they just got started on the Junebug Rally. They're gonna start doing a bunch of different turns. I'm out of breath, they're out of breath. It's growing great.
There was 50 Volkswagens sent down a dead-end street and there's really no turnaround at the end of it.
Correct. So I hope you have a good runner.
Here they go.
Are using both lanes here. It's the Junebug Rally. Break some traffic rules.
Yeah, get out there. Do you want to win or not?
Exactly, but we don't condone breaking traffic rules.
Woo! Look at all these Volkswagens, Jake. Isn't this great?
This is awesome.
Oh, see, I would have ran that.
Oh yeah, it's the Junebug, man.
Woo! Here's HB 1921. What a beautiful car. Wow. Yeah. King of the hill.
Woo! Get that cigarette out of your mouth.
Yeah. Now we'll cut to Davey at that dead end. That's it.
Oh my God.
You can take a picture and write it down later if you want. What are we looking for? This is it. This is the race right here. It's happening right in front of us.
Oh, look out!
What's the matter, Axel? What's the matter?
Let the cheaters play in the damn course. That's what's wrong.
Go. Right
Run.
Here. Go to the dead end and then do this. Run, Aiden. Run. Pull back. Pull back.
Run like the wind.
I got it. Take